All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about why Tesla includes gas savings in their cost calculations. First, it's all about showing the true cost of ownership. Tesla vehicles don't use gas, they run on electricity. Over time, the cost of charging your car is significantly lower than filling up a gas tank. By including gas savings, Tesla highlights how much you'll save by going electric. Second, it's part of their mission to promote sustainability. By showcasing the financial benefits of EVs over traditional gas-powered cars, Tesla encourages more people to make the switch to greener technology. Lastly, it helps justify the upfront price. Teslas can seem expensive at first, but when you factor in gas savings, reduced maintenance costs, and potential tax incentives, they become more affordable in the long run. So when Tesla includes gas savings, it's not just about the numbers, it's about showing how owning a Tesla is both a smart financial and environmental decision. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.